Hi, and welcome to how to auto-provision Obihai phone video tutorial. In this video, we will use Obihai 1062 to demonstrate the auto-provisioning. However, the same procedure can be used for other Obihai phones, as it is very similar. Easiest way to auto-provision your phone is through the phone web interface. To access the phone web interface, you will need your phone IP address. Using the phone navigation buttons, select the phone settings, and at the top you will see your phone IP address. Enter the address in your browser and use your login credentials. If you haven't changed default Obihai login credentials, enter admin for both username and password. Once logged in, the first thing you need to do is to reset your phone to factory settings. Unless your phone is brand new and is currently set to factory settings, then you don't have to do this step. Otherwise, under System Management menu, select Device Update, and at the bottom, click on the Reset and confirm the action to reset your phone to factory settings. It will take a minute for your phone to reset and reboot. Once done, refresh the page in your browser and log into the phone web interface. Next, you will need to check your firmware. It is important that your phone is loaded with the appropriate firmware version. Different models may require different firmware versions. You can look up which version is supported for your device at wiki.bicomsystems.com/UADs. To check which version of firmware you have currently installed, navigate to System Status menu, and under Product Information section, you will see your firmware version. If you have trouble installing the firmware, please contact Bicom support team. Next, you will have to adjust UAD settings, create the extension, and register your phone. Inside the tenant settings, under Auto Provisioning section, enter the username and password for provisioning server. Remember this as you will need it later in this tutorial. Once done, click Save to apply the settings. Next, select the desired tenant, and under Tenant Settings menu, navigate to UAD. Find your device and open the device edit options. Make sure that under General section, status is set to active, and that under Auto Provisioning section, Auto Provisioning and DHCP is set to yes. Once done, click Save to apply the settings. Next, under Extension menu, click on Add Extension. Select your device from UAD list, and under Location, set Remote. Click Next Step button, specify the extension name and email. Select the department, and under MAC, enter the MAC address of the phone. You can find the MAC address on the back of your phone, and also inside the phone web interface under System Status menu. Once you have entered the MAC address, click Save to apply the settings. This completes all the settings you need to do inside of PBXware. Next, you will need to register your Obihai phone by setting up the provisioning server. Go back to your phone web interface, and once inside, under System Management menu, select Auto Provisioning. Under ITSP Provisioning section, make sure that Config URL default checkbox is unchecked, and under Config URL field, you will need to enter your provisioning server username, password, and server address. Start by typing http:// and then enter your provisioning server username, followed by : your provisioning server password, and then enter the your server address /prov/$mac.xml. In our example, we used IP address for server name. However, your server address can be IP address or hostname. Once done, at the bottom, click on the Submit button, and then in the upper right corner, click on Reboot. If you have done everything correctly, your phone will restart, and once it's finished rebooting, you should have successfully registered your phone to PBXware. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need more help, be sure to visit Bicom Systems Wikimedia page.